Hi all, Karthik here from Design School by Wpalgoridm. In this video, I'll show you how to create a coming soon page for your WordPress website and also a maintenance page for your WordPress website. You can do it with Elementor free version itself. Install and activate Elementor Page Builder. Once you do, click on templates, click on add new, and let's actually create a page for coming soon. Then we'll create a page for maintenance mode. So I'll just call this page coming soon. I'll just click on create template. That will take you to the Elementor interface. So once you're in the Elementor interface, since this is a coming soon page, we don't want header and footer. So I'll just click on the settings cog. I'll change the page layout from default to Elementor canvas. That will get rid of header and footer defined either by your theme or Elementor Pro if you are using Elementor Pro's theme builder for your header and footer. So all you see is just Elementor content. Now you can create everything from the scratch, use all the widgets available, but rather you can simply click on the folder button. Once you're in this modal or the pop-up, click on pages, and the page that we're looking for is a coming soon page. So search for coming soon. There are a ton of them. Some of them are obviously available with Elementor Pro. You can obviously design each of this page right from the scratch, but this is an Elementor Pro exclusive because of the countdown widget. So you can let users know when this is coming. You can also get their email by using these templates. Let's actually use this one, or let's actually use this pro template. If you want this pro template, you can get Elementor Pro, or if you want a free one, you can simply use one of the free templates or create everything from scratch. So here you can set the due date when it's coming, and you can then specify your email address, right? Anything that you want to put in, maybe your social media contacts, so that people can follow you on your social media using the social icons widget, right? And once you do, this is our page. If you want, you can tweak it a bit, or you can simply publish this. Now this is coming soon page. You can now click on Command E and search for dashboard. Command E will show this finder window. Hold down Command and click on dashboard, or hold down Control and click on dashboard. So that will take you to the WordPress dashboard instead of exiting this page. Similarly, let's create a template for our maintenance mode. You'll use maintenance mode when you already have a website which is running, but you'd rather want to make behind under the hood changes. Whereas coming soon is a launch, sort of like a pre-launch for your website. Now I'll choose page from this drop down and I'll call it maintenance mode page, and I'll just click on create template. We just need to create templates. Then you can go to Elementor settings and set these as the coming soon and the maintenance mode pages. I'll show that in a bit. I'll just click on the settings cog. Again, I'll change this to Elementor canvas, because when your site is in maintenance mode, you don't want users to access any part of the site, such as header and stuff like that. They won't be able to access any of the pages except this page, which I'll show you in a bit. Again, I'll do the same thing. I'll click the folder icon and that will open up the templates. Let's search for maintenance mode. Let's go with maybe this, or any of the pages that you want. You can use pro templates if you have Elementor Pro. You can obviously drag in any widget that you want, or you can simply insert a pre-built template, which I think is a whole lot easier rather than designing stuff right from the scratch. Now once the template is inserted, now this particular template is having this Elementor Pro form, which is a part of Elementor Pro, and you can configure the actions after submit. So once the user fills in, you can get an email, and you can specify which email address will get the email after the form is filled. So that's really neat, so that users can stay in touch with you even when your website is in maintenance mode. If you want them to, can simply publish this too. So we have a coming soon page template and we have a maintenance mode page template. Now I'll go to dashboard. Again, I'll hold down Command and click E or Control E. That will open up Finder, again dashboard. I'll open up dashboard in a new window or new tab, sorry. Now we need to go to Elementor. We need to click on tools. I don't know why this error, but anyway, let's move on. I'm testing out a lot of plugins. So click on maintenance mode from here, and you can choose between coming soon and maintenance mode. I'll choose maybe coming soon for now. And here's where it's really cool. You can set who can access the site when the site is in coming soon mode. So logged in users like the admin can access the site, obviously. So that's really neat. And you can choose the template, right? We just created the template right now, and it's this one. Just pick the template from the list of templates, click on save changes. So now your website will enter coming soon mode, and you can see this red button. So if you access your website outside of the browser where it's not logged in, or let's actually log out, let's try to access the site. Now you'll see the coming soon template, just like that. It's that easy setting up a coming soon page. Now if you're a user like an admin or someone, if you want to log in, you can log in with your details. Your site will still be accessible to you. Only for the visitors who don't have login access will see the coming soon template, or you can set it to few roles, user roles. Now again, go to template, again Elementor, click on tools, click on maintenance mode, and if you want to change it from coming soon to maintenance, just change that, and also pick the template, which will be somewhere around here, and it's this one. Just click on save changes. Now let's log out. Now if we access the site, if we access any part of the site, all we see is the maintenance mode template. So I search for my site, and there's our maintenance mode. Now I can simply fill in my details, and the email will go to whoever is specified. This part is a part of Elementor Pro. If you want the form, you need to get Elementor Pro, or if you just want to display a maintenance mode template without this, well, it's free. You can do it using the free version as well. So this is how you set up a maintenance mode and coming soon pages for your WordPress website using Elementor Free or Pro if you wish. If you want Elementor Pro, you can get it from the link in the description. That's it for now. Catch you in the next one. Peace.